Have you ever edited a screenshot, save it, and then wish you could undo the change? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a simple setting that lets you revert edited screenshot back to their original version even after saving. Let's turn it on. Open setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Now enable the option called save original screenshot. The setting keeps a backup for the original version, so you can go back if needed. Just keep in mind it might use a bit more storage space. Now let's try it. Go to any screen, take a screenshot, open, and then edit it. Make any change like cropping or drawing and then tap save. Next, tap the three dots at the top right and then choose revert to original. As you can see, the screenshot returns to its original form. So, given to the function, this feature is super helpful if you edit screenshots often but want the freedom to undo change anytime later. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.